I say, these games that these niggas playing is so absurd. I'll run up in your crib, kill your mama, that's my word. My goon snap without thinking. And nigga, what is you thinking? Put you in a body bag, just a stankin'. 4CH crazy red flag, just a hanging. BMP, bitch, shit right here gon' get to changing. What you doing this late at night, son? Just hanging. I love my mama, she don't know that I be fucking banging. Riding with my niggas, drunk as fuck the trunk, wanging. If I hit a bitch, everybody gon' be staining. Came on her face, she said it felt like it was raining. Can get with any hoe, but Bizzle Fro is never changing. You think you're pretty, boy, my hands can't rearrange that. Bend the bitch over, then I gave her ass a smack. Threw some dubs at her, told her that I want that ass to clap. If you got a problem with me, nigga, we can fucking scrap. Fuck the bullshit, BMP, we posted on the map. We drinking good and we blowing pretty good thracks. If you still hating, pussy nigga, laugh about that. Stunner said Bizzle killed it, so I got up on the track. Yeah, Bizzle phone, Sleepy phone, Stunner phone, Baller phone, Holla phone, Breezy phone, Kayla phone, Junebug. Yeah, BMP, it is the movement. It is the movement. It is the movement. It is the movement. Yeah. I'm gone.